Welcome to today's video about preparing for HPE7-V01 HPE Master ASE Edge to Cloud Architect Certification. Introduction of Advanced HPE Edge to Cloud Solutions Exam. Target Audience: HPE7-V01 Exam. HPE7-V01 Exam Information. Breakdown of certification exam domains and their respective impact. Key steps to succeed in the HPE7-V01 certification exam. 1. A customer wants to modernize its IT environment while maintaining control over critical workloads running in its data center. The customer also wants cloud-based consumption flexibility for new applications. Which approach should an HPE architect recommend? A traditional infrastructure model for all workloads. B. A hybrid cloud model combining on-premises and cloud services. C. A complete migration of all workloads to public cloud. D. A fixed capacity infrastructure model without expansion options. 2. A company operates critical applications that must remain available during hardware failures and environmental disruptions. Which solution consideration is most important? A. Business continuity strategy and resiliency design. B. Increasing user permissions. C. Reducing monitoring capabilities. D. Removing backup processes. 3. A pre-sales architect begins a new project with an enterprise customer. What should the architect do first? A. Recommend a specific product immediately. B. Gather business goals, technical requirements, and expected outcomes. C. Replace the existing infrastructure. D. Configure the final solution design. 4. A customer wants to upgrade its existing data center environment. The architect needs to understand current system limitations. Which information should be collected? A. Infrastructure performance metrics and application workload data. B. Employee personal information. C. Marketing reports. D. Office building information. 5. A customer wants cloud-like flexibility but prefers to keep infrastructure within its own facilities. Which HPE offering should be positioned? A. Manual infrastructure management approach. B. Traditional hardware purchase without services. C. HPE GreenLake consumption-based services. D. Standalone software licensing model. 6. A customer has stable workloads with predictable resource requirements and strict internal management policies. Which solution model may be appropriate? A. Unmanaged third-party services. B. Public cloud migration for every workload. C. Removing existing infrastructure. D. Traditional HPE infrastructure solution. 7. An enterprise wants to improve security across its hybrid infrastructure environment. What should an HPE architect consider? A. HPE security offerings integrated with hybrid infrastructure requirements. B. Disabling security monitoring. C. Removing identity controls. D. Reducing compliance activities. 8. A customer wants to improve its existing architecture without disrupting business operations. What approach should the architect recommend? A. Ignore existing workloads. B. Replace all systems immediately without analysis. C. Compare current capabilities with requirements and design an upgrade strategy. D. Remove monitoring and management tools. 9. Before presenting an HPE GreenLake proposal, what should the architect perform? A. Select products without analysis. B. Remove workload requirements. C. Ignore performance expectations. D. Review and validate solution sizing against customer requirements. 10. A customer wants a private cloud experience with automated infrastructure services inside its own environment. Which solution area should the architect consider? A. Manual server deployment processes. B. HPE GreenLake private cloud offerings. C. Desktop-only virtualization. D. Isolated hardware replacement. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.